Kapi Nokia filter. So here is the app. Here you have it. Quite popular app. It's very cheap and it's high quality. And here you can get this Nokia filter, which is going viral. So just tap on it, and then in the bottom you have Nokia filter. And then oops. So now, as you can see, unfortunately, this Nokia filter became paid. I don't know. So now there is a trial. So when I tap on it, I still can kind of have photo. And then I need to, all right. So I still need to upgrade to use it. And then I need to, so here, that's what it is. So yeah, the thing is they just made this filter paid literally like a month ago. It was always free in this app, but now you need to have Kapi Pro to use it. Yeah, so that's what it is.